Hello guys, it's your boy Lovely Martin and today I'm back with one more yoga session. Finally yoga session because actually I haven't been doing yoga for a while. I had too many other videos, collaborations, underwears and stuff like that. But yoga is my main thing here guys, and that's why we have to do some new sessions again. I'm wearing nice and comfy yoga trunks which I got from a company called Club 7. There is also a previous video underwear unboxing and try on haul. Check that out guys. And let's enjoy today's yoga session together. So guys, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for being here together with me, watching, enjoying, learning. Thank you so much. I hope you liked some new poses which I showed today. I tried to hold each pose for 30 seconds. You can do the same at home obviously. And if you need, you can take a little rest between the exercises so you can catch your breath in case you're out of it. I sometimes am, sometimes not. It depends. So thank you once again guys. I hope you enjoyed today's yoga session. Be sure to smash thumbs up, subscribe to channel, share with your friends, and of course guys, as always, be sure to support me and check out my personal fan page. There you can hit me up, send me a message or anything like that, and of course comment something for the algorithm. Thank you so much guys. Kisses, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.